A total of 15 teams have won the third prize of the Innovation competition at the global final, and they will be divided into two groups to receive the awards on stage. So first, I will announce the winning teams of the first batch, and the winners are from China University of Petroleum, East China, Côte d'Ivoire, ARE, Institut National Polytechnique Félix Houphouët-Boigny, Côte d'Ivoire. Advanced EPSG from Polytechnic University of Valencia, Spain. Dokify from Kazakh British Technical University, Kazakhstan. Ghana Innovation Team from University of Ghana. Telematics IoT from Institut Teknologi Bandung, Indonesia. Touch Bike from Instituto Federal de Educación, Ciencia e Tecnología da Bahia. And Brazil, 德贤饮茶队 from Shanghai Jiao Tong University, China. Well, welcome them. All the winners are on stage. And I'd like to invite Himanshu Mahajan, Senior Manager of ICT Thailand, Talent Partner Development Department of Huawei, and Hao Sichun, Head of University Engagement for Huawei Data Storage Open Source Ecosystem of Huawei, to be the awarding guest on stage. Welcome. And we also specially invited the distinguished guest, Gapdulin Marabek, Rector of Kazakh British Technical University, to present the award to the Kazakhstan team. I believe all the contestants, you must be a huge fan of our competition. And you know what? The competition before, they didn't bring the flags of their schools on stage, but you see this time, I see almost every team brings their school flags on stage. So you must saw a lot of photos of our premier competitions before. Okay, let's move closer to each other at the center of the stage to take this group photo. This is just the beginning of today's award ceremony. Well, let me hear your applause. Congratulations to them. Yikes. Thank you so much to the awarding guests. Thank you, and congratulations again to all the winners. You may now take your seats. Thank you so much. Congrats. Felicitación. Parabéns.